Every human spends thousands of nights in life, but there is one night, the loneliest, the most frightening, the most important. That is the first night in the grave. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, after a person is buried, the soul is returned to the body. He can even hear the footsteps of people as they leave. Sahih Bukhari then. The real test begins. 2 angels will come, Munkar and Nakir. They will ask, 1. Who is your Lord? 2. What is your religion? 3. Who is your prophet? My Lord is Allah. My religion is Islam. My prophet is Muhammad, peace be upon him. Then a voice from heaven will say, my servant has spoken the truth. The grave becomes spacious. A door to paradise is opened. Fragrance and light enter asterisk. The grave becomes tight asterisk. A door to hell is opened. Asterisk punishment begins immediately. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, the grave says every day, I am the home of loneliness. I am the home of darkness. Preparation starts today. Pray 5 daily prayers. Recite the Quran, avoid sins, give charity, do good deeds regularly. One day, the world will leave you, and you will enter that dark place alone. Are you ready for your first night?